So what happened when I dah remove my cancer punya womb, I saw one ustaz.
Okay.
I met one ustaz dekat luar masjid. But I tak berhijab.
Okay.
Dia cakap, you nak telekong tak?
Tak ada gitu
Dia cakap, ustaz tak ada, saya tunggu klien saya nak sign dokumen. Ni dah nak asar ni. Tak apa, saya boleh tanya kawan-kawan saya kat dalam. Awak ambil telekong. Then I was like, tak ada, I run to the car. Macam malu. I malu because with my condition, so that is where it trigger me again. So my client, tak apa Susan, ada telekong, masuklah. That is where it started to open my heart. I nak ambil wudu tak tahu. Lila macam I do not know. Habis bilik tandas ada, I go to the men's side. Dia kata no, you must go this side. Oh okay, women's side. Habis solat not in the center, there's a women's room. Dia cakap itu. So I cakap, ada women's room That is where it started.
Okay.
That is where it started. So when I was at the mosque, ni anak nangis ni. Sedih. Sebab I cakap dalam hati I kata, am I in the right path?
You tanya diri sendiri gitu.
Am I in the right path? So when I mix around with them, then that is where I cakap, actually cool going to this mosque. So I tried. Tapi kaku. And the worst one, the second time pergi masjid tu, I'm alone. There's no other woman. So dekat the woman section tu, I'm alone. So I open the curtain a little bit to see the some of the men is in front. Then I just ikut je belakang. That is where it started. Then I dah shock pula pergi Pesara. That is where I started.